Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, that way you guys don't miss any of my future uploads. So for today, I am really excited. I feel like I say that in all of my videos, but I genuinely am excited because I am going to be trying intermittent fasting. And the reason I decided to do this, besides the fact that I'm not very happy with my current weight, is because there's studies that show that it helps with not just your weight, but it helps to reduce inflammation in your body that causes certain health issues. And so I really wanted to try it. I mean, I'm at home all day, so why not test it out? And I wanted to film it for you guys. I'm going to try and eat a little bit better, but I'm not going to say like, oh, I can't have one slice of pizza or whatever, because I'm a normal ass person and it is really hard. I'm going to be doing the 16 and 8, which is you do 16 hours of fasting straight, and then you have an 8-hour window to eat your meals for the day. And of course, you know, I'm gonna try not to overeat either, and I'm gonna do probably 2 meals and maybe like 2 snacks. Also, I wanted to just say really quick that I'm not an expert, I'm not a dietitian, so if you are someone who has underlying health issues, or you're pregnant, breastfeeding, anything like that, I would recommend to speak with your doctor first, because I mean, I don't know what kind of negative impact this can have. So for me, I don't have any medical problems, thank God, but I just wanted to say that really quick. I did my own research. I looked up a few articles on it and stuff like that, but I am not a professional at all. I'm just doing this for the experience. I really want to see if it works and, you know, just test it out for you. Anyways, I will see you guys when I get back from the store, and I will go ahead and show you guys what I got and let you know what I'm going to be eating for today. Okay you guys, so it is about to be noon time in a couple minutes. So my eating schedule is going to be from noon to 8 p.m. And so my first meal of the day is going to be this right here. This is some menudo. I know the bread is probably not healthy, but that's really the only unhealthy part I would say of this. But yeah, this is the first meal of today. Okay you guys, so right now it is 3:38 and I am about to have my first snack. I am having some fresh fruit. I have here some watermelon, pineapple, and cantaloupe, and I like to eat it with a little bit of tajin and some lime juice. And yeah, that's gonna be my first snack of the day. Okay you guys, so I'm back with my second meal, Asian salad, this one right here. This is what it looks like right here. I'm just gonna add a little bit of the dressing. And so yeah, that's gonna be my second meal for today. Hey you guys, it is day 4 and this is my breakfast for today. Having some scrambled eggs with ham, half of an avocado, a banana, and some peanut butter. Feeling good so far, so yeah, that's breakfast or first meal of today. Hey you guys, just wanted to check in really quick. It is day 6 with the intermittent fasting, and oh my goodness guys, today, so let's just say I had to record a video and it involved some food, so I did take a few bites of some food that I wasn't supposed to, but I didn't finish the whole thing. I just tasted, so at least. But so for dinner, I'm gonna be having these cucumbers right here, just to eat something a little bit more healthy before I begin the next fast. And so yeah, this is gonna be my dinner. Okay you guys, so I can't believe it has been a whole week already since I started this journey. And so I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys about how it went, how I felt, and everything else. So what I did, first of all, what I did was the 16 and 8 method, which is you fast for 16 hours and then you have an 8-hour window to eat whatever meals you're gonna eat in the day. And so that's what I did. So in the morning I would usually wake up maybe like 8:30 to 9 and then wake up the kids, make breakfast. And so honestly, I think that was probably the hardest part for me, was smelling the breakfast and not being able to eat it. So that was one thing, but it kind of kept me busy as well. So what I did is I just made myself a green tea and I kind of sipped it throughout the morning until I was ready to eat my first meal. So once the kids were done with their breakfast, what we do is we do homework, so that kind of kept me busy as well because they do get quite a lot of homework. So doing homework with the kids actually helped me stay busy and keep my mind off of food. As soon as noon came around, I went ahead and I would have my first meal of the day. So I tried to do 2 meals a day and 1 to 2 snacks a day. And so that is what I did. Sometimes I wouldn't have my second snack just because I didn't really feel hungry, or if I had a late meal, but I wouldn't have more than the 3 snacks. And I really tried hard not overeating during my meals. So instead of thinking, well, I'm only having 2 meals a day, so let me, portion double, I was just getting like a regular portion, nothing too big, and I think that helped out a lot. As far as what I was supposed to eat, I really wanted to try to eat really healthy, but as you saw as well, there was a couple times where I did eat a few things that I did not intend or I did not plan to eat, and so that's okay. I mean, you can't be too strict on yourself because then you're not gonna want to finish the rest of the week. So we're all human. It happens. If you mess up or you eat a little more or you eat something that you're not supposed to, it's okay. You can make it up the next day. So that's what I did. There was one day where I had Chick-fil-A, and so I ended up taking off the top bun so I could feel a little bit better about it. But yeah, I mean, it's a work in progress. You can't expect to be perfect the first time. If you're too hard on yourself when you're doing these type of diets, you're just gonna put yourself down and you're not even gonna want to finish the diet anymore. So give yourself a break. It's a work in progress. You can't be perfect the first time. So yeah, there's that. The crazy thing is that I only worked out 2 days out of the whole week. And so I was planning to do an everyday, workout, but for one reason or another, I was only able to do it for 2 days. Now I want to talk a little bit about how I felt, because I was really scared and nervous that I was gonna feel sick or I was gonna get constant headaches or things like that. But I actually didn't. I felt great. I did not once get a headache, which I was pretty surprised about. I would only really feel hungry, like I said earlier, when I was making breakfast or whenever it was late at night and I was just in my bed watching YouTube or Hulu or whatever, and those were the only times I did feel a little bit hungry. And it only lasted for like the first few days, and then I guess I kind of got used to it. But what I would just do is I would just try to drink a lot of water, and I think that kind of helped me out. Another thing is that I didn't feel any cravings. So I'm a huge sweets person. Whenever we're watching movies or whenever I'm just bored, I always crave sweets or even chips, things like that, just snacks in general. And so I was really surprised that I didn't feel those cravings that I normally do. So that's one thing that really surprised me. I also noticed that I did start to feel more energized, especially in the mornings, which I really am happy about. And that's one of the biggest things for me. Honestly, I want to keep doing this fasting. I want to see how long I can do it for. I feel like it would be something good for me. I don't know if I can do it forever, but I want to see where this goes, and I want to continue this journey. I want to see if I can reach my goal for my weight and everything. And so yeah, I'm really happy. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the results on the screen right now. I'm gonna be posting some pictures so you can see the before and after. So here they are. I know in the pictures you can't really see a huge difference, but the crazy thing is that I lost almost 4 pounds in 1 week. I wasn't only eating healthy foods, I was eating a few things that I probably could have modified to something healthier, a healthier option. But like I said, you can't beat yourself up for it or else you won't want to continue this journey. but I also only worked out for 2 days out of the whole week. I lost 3 pounds, almost 4 pounds, and that is just crazy to me. And I think that this has been one of the easier weight loss methods for myself, and I definitely want to continue doing it. So yeah guys, that is my journey so far with the intermittent fasting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about anything I might have missed in my video or anything I didn't mention, you can feel free to leave it in the comments down below. I am going to continue this, and if I do it long enough, maybe I'll do like a 1-month update or something like that, but we'll see how it goes. And yeah, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys are staying safe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.